How to do Google image search on iPhone Edit. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google search application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Google homepage. Once you're here, tap on the camera icon beside the search bar. This is the Search with Google Lens feature. You can perform an image search on Google using this feature. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on Media. Choose any photo from your library to perform the image search. Swipe up to view the results. Here, go to Exact Matches. Tap on any search result to view the page and details. This way, you can look up anything just by using its image. Following these steps, you can easily do Google image search on iPhone Edit. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.